Hey everyone, in this video we're starting the cabinetry.
We've been lucky enough to get some help from a friend of ours who's a cabinet maker who specialises in caravans.
This is the front of our wardrobe frame. It's just sitting here for now so we can see what it looks like. The boys still have to finish framing it. These are our overhead frames, almost ready to go in. They are really lightweight because all we need to add on to them is the doors and the bottom. So this is the van with the overhead frames in and the wardrobe started. Just got to put the doors on everything. We did the overheads a bit smaller over where the kitchen will be, and then they come out over the bed and dining area. Once we're finished with the template for the curve of the walls, we'll use it to line the wardrobe.
Even if I made this one 900 for now. We built the couch/bed in 4 major parts. The first part was the left and right side of the couch, both at 1900mm long, and we built those by doing a right angled shape and then lining the front side of them and then screwing into the wall and into the floor. We then put the middle piece in between the left and right side, and that will house the slide out drawer. And finally we built the front frame, and this will be used to mount the doors on. The cabinets are framed out using a 19x40 Meranti, and any exposed pieces around the openings are wrapped white. We line the cabinets with pieces of 3mm ply, cut slightly oversized, and once the spray on adhesive had dried, we used a router to follow the exact edges for a perfect finish. We put 200mm strips of ply on the edge of the couch, and then cut access doors for all the gaps between the frame. We ended up fixing the top of the slide out drawer as we'll never need access for it. Just before we put the kitchen in, I'll have to relocate this gas pipe and put it in here so we can put our pull out drawer here. All the rest of the cabinetry is pretty much in, we're just doing the door fronts. As you can see here, we have only sheeted the sides of the kitchen bench that are visible from the outside, and by also doing that on all of the cabinetry, we are able to save valuable weight come in relicensing time. For the lagoon mount, I originally only put 2 pieces of 19x40 Meranti across the back of the couch, but once the table was in, I realised it wasn't enough for the weight and screwed in 2 more pieces of Meranti vertically into the top of the couch and into the floor. As you would have seen before, I moved this gas pipe here, just in this services here, because it was coming up right where these pull-out drawers are, or the bottom pull-out drawer, where our pots and pans are going. So that's just been moved. That was a little task, and then I'll still have to hook up the cooktop. It'll be the cooktop here, so I'll just divert it around and hook it up. And then our sink, and then we've got a hot water in unit.
A what?
Hot water unit in here that I still have to hook up, but I've still got full access in here, and yeah.
So good. I cannot wait till there's a mattress back here though. I really just want to sleep in it already.
I know. I just want to get all those wires hidden.
Sick of it getting caught in our hair, huh?
Yeah.
Long hair problems.
Work a bit harder. Less time chit-chatting.
Whatever.
Look at this person, she's not even wearing work clothes.
These are my cash
I think
clothes.
you're going out clothes.
No, they got holes in them. These are
work.
work pants.
Oh,
This
you
is
wish.
for me, working hard.
Honey.
Honey. I don't have the work boots on there. You can.
Yeah. Well, I'll sand it pretty good, and then I'll cut it and border it, and then keep sanding it. Yeah. Don't worry, mate, it's gonna look schmicko. Thanks for checking up on me. Oh, come on. So another little thing we've got to do is, I'll show you this side. So here, where the board is, we'll just cut that out. So then at least it'll probably just avoid the mattress, but at least we don't need to always hold these back. It's just one of those things that we've got to do. But all our cabinetry, we can lift it up. So in our kite storage,
And
we'll
remove it, they're not.
This
They're
one
not
you
fixed
can't.
on.
And then in here, see like in the electrical box, we'll have full access there. Still got to sheet this, but this is for a TV point, so we're going to put some timber in here for
The future TV.
future TV mount. But it's all happening.
Martin and Mason have mostly finished all their cabinetry. There's still a few finishing touches to do, but yeah, I'll give you a little mini tour. So this is our wardrobe. We've still got to put handles on the wardrobe and the overheads. They're going to be little push button locks. And yeah, but this is the white wood that we went for, and that's on the wardrobe and the overheads, and then all the rest of the cabinets are the normal white. So yeah, this is our little kitchen area. We've still got to put the fridge in properly, and obviously do our bench tops and everything. This is like our wardrobe section, and it'll have the same herringbone bench on either side. And then this is the bed slash couch slash dining area. And this is our little table we made. It's on the lagoon thing. It's not properly mounted on there, I've just got it sitting on top at the moment, but yeah.
We still have to put the lip around the couch area, so that's the timber there for it.
Yeah.
Obviously varnish all this top of the bench and the bed. We've still obviously got to put in our end pieces and the spaces in between here, do the edging, just the final touches and everything, but all the main part of the cabinetry is in. We'll finish it off this week.
And we went to the foam place and gave them the dimensions for our bed so they can cut up all the foam into the little sections and everything. And we chose our fabric covering. So yeah, going well. We routed out a bit of the cupboards so that the fridge would fit in, and now we've just put on the fridge frame. I'm just going to sand the couch tops back now, and then I'll put some clear on it to protect them from getting wet and everything, and also so the couch covers don't catch on it, make it nice and smooth.
Hopefully it all works.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect. Yay. Now I just gotta cut those slats there. It looks so wrong. I'm like, don't sit on it. Scary. Sturdy.
Yeah.
Hello. Is this your little cubby? Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll be showing how to make the dining table. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.